Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and I like to know how things work and how to fix it when things need fixing. I have a slew of car, home, and tech videos on the editing bench right now, so please subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything. Today's video will be a quick one, but one that I hope you find interesting and something you don't see every day: how to disassemble and move a grand piano. This particular piano is a William Knabe Company piano from the 1920s. More important to me, this is the piano I learned to play on when I was 6 years old, which was significantly after 1920, if you have to ask. Moving it was bittersweet. After my dad died, my mom downsized and sold the house. We found a new home for the piano, but one of the last things out of the house, it was one of my fondest childhood memories, and it was emotional for me seeing it disassembled and taken away. But it was cool to see, and I'm going to share it with you today. Before we jump in, here's some helpful info about grand piano sizes that will put the magnitude of moving a piano into perspective. This piano is a baby grand, and it weighs approximately 550 pounds. That's pretty heavy for a baby. A baby grand is typically about 5 feet long when measured from the keyboard to the very back or tail of the piano. Did you know that there's 6 sizes of grand pianos? Here's a quick lesson on what they're called. You never know when you'll need to know this, so pay close attention. A parlor grand, also called a classic or medium grand piano, comes in at around 5.5 feet long. The professional grand or full grand is about 6 feet long. The next size up is a recital or hall grand at around 6.5 feet. The semi-concert grand can reach a whopping 8 foot 10 inches long, and the big papa of pianos, the concert grand, can stretch to 9.5 feet long and weigh the upwards of 1,200 pounds. So when it comes to moving a piano, you call in piano movers.
Well, it's like a body bag. Last time I saw straps on it like that.
Basically, it's like a street jacket.
Yeah, I heard you guys were quick.
We get a lot of practice.
Yeah? How many pianos do you move in a year?
In a year?
I don't know.
Let's go with about 6 to 8 a day.
6 to 8 a day for real?
Yeah.
Holy crow.
6 to 8 a day, 5-6 days a week.
Nice.
It's a little slower during this time. I would say after Christmas all the way till like tax time. But May to October, you gotta raise up. Raise way up. Keep it up. May to October is like boom time, so real estate booming, we're booming.
I'm assuming most of the pianos you're moving are used at this point?
Yeah, no, not necessarily. We deal with retail, so stores are selling them, we're going in and moving them.
Okay. Yeah, I was wondering how many people are buying real pianos these days with so much electronic stuff out there.
True, but these stores are selling both, and one company has 6 locations.
Wow, that looks like a very custom piece. Is there a name for that?
What,
That wrap, yeah.
This here, just take a grain cover.
Okay.
Canvas grain cover. Screwdriver them out.
It's like a horse blanket for a piano.
Right up.
I always thought of this piano as an unmovable object, but these guys made it look easy. There's nothing crazy about moving a piano. Some basic tools, some specialized pads, which I'll bet could have been improvised with moving blankets and long straps. Heck, since recording this, I've even seen pianos wrapped with nothing more than pads and industrial plastic cling wrap.
And even left one hand for the tools.
Good.
What is clear from watching this is that you've got to know how it comes apart, but more important is using good technique. And technique is what you get from practice.
Oh, the big empty.
So my hat's off to these movers. And yes, the piano was delivered and set up safe and sound. Coming up on the channel is a follow-up to my recent video, How to Fix a New Gas Can, which is literally exploding on YouTube. I also have a video in the works on how to delete the exhaust resonator and install an H-pipe on a Mustang GT. And some amazing footage featuring heavy machinery on how we went from this to this to this. You're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Be good, be well, be safe, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.
I fixed it.